Kabadimelon!
Once upon a giggly time, deep inside the jolly jungle lived a mischievous little monkey named Milo.
Milo wasn't the smartest monkey, but he was definitely the silliest.
And oh, he loved bananas more than anything else in the world.
One sunny morning, Milo woke up with a huge smile.
Today's banana feast day.
He shouted, twirling and dancing with excitement.
He rushed to his banana cupboard, swung open the door,
And gasped.
no bananas.
Milo slipped on an old banana peel and landed on his bottom.
He looked under his bed, only a lost sock.
He peeked behind a tree.
Found a dancing lizard.
He even checked a bird's nest, but angry birds chased him away.
Milo needed a plan. He grabbed an old coconut, plopped it on his head, and became Detective Milo. He made a list of suspects.
Polly the Parrot, Terry the Turtle, and Lenny the Lion.
But Detective Milo got a little distracted chasing butterflies.
First stop, Polly the Parrot's tree. Milo shouted.
Polly, did you steal my bananas?
Polly laughed so hard she fell off her perch.
Squawk, I only eat crackers, silly, she chirped.
Next, Milo waddled over to Terry the Turtle's rock.
Terry, you slowpoke, where are my bananas?
Terry yawned and said, I barely moved since yesterday, Milo. Maybe check your own tree.
Milo scratched his head.
Maybe, just maybe, it's Lenny the Lion.
He rushed to Lenny's den, only to find Lenny munching a giant watermelon.
Bananas.
Lenny roared, no way! I'm a watermelon guy!
Feeling hopeless, Milo trudged back home.
He plopped down with a big sigh.
Swish.
Milo jumped up and there stuck to his bottom was a whole pile of bananas.
The jungle exploded with laughter. Even the trees seemed to giggle in the breeze. Milo laughed too. He threw the biggest, silliest, most banana-filled party the jungle had ever seen.
And the moral of the story:
Sometimes when things go wrong, it's easy to blame others. But first, always check yourself and never forget to laugh at your own silly mistakes.
Milo shared all his bananas with his friends because sharing is way more fun than eating alone.
Thanks for joining Milo's adventure. See you next time for more giggles in the Jolly Jungle!
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to Kabadimelon!